soft and sexy, but she's mean as a snake. If I catch you looking at her, I'll punch you straight in the mouth. That's how we do it in the dirty South.
Gary Flover got invited to the CMT Awards show once by mistake. But he made the most of it, because that's what you do in life, you make the most of it. The CMT Award show was a hell of a time. Tanya Tucker winked at me, I was standing in line. My wife punched her right straight in the mouth. That's how they do it in the dirty South. That's how we do it in the dirty South. I know you're nice people, but pretend you're not, just for this. Sing along, here. That's how we do it in the dirty South. Yeah, here's how you do it. You imagine you're Charlie Daniels threatening somebody in a library. That's how we do it in the dirty South.
I like this one.
That's how. That's how.
Perfect.
Woo! Another song. Good job.